Hello. My name's Gigi Peach. I hope you're having a good day. I want to apologize for not uploading for a while. I was going through a creative slump and felt I needed a break. So I went on a vacation and had a great time. After I go back home, I decided to give my room a makeover and tidied up a whole bunch of stuff. Now that I have finished, I am back to making videos again. For this video, I'm making Veigar from an online game called League of Legends. The outfit I'm making is his Furyhorn cosplay skin. I just love that the theme is bright and colorful, and how he looks like a plushie. Right now, I'm making the base for his head, and then begin working on his eyes and face. Positioning and marking his eyes. Coloring the eye areas with yellow wool. Adding more layers to make the color solid. I don't want the base color to peek out. I pinned the eye templates into place, and start adding the black part of Veigar's face, taking care to go around the edge of the eyes, and proceeding to color the rest of the face. Time to work on his costume. I began adding magenta around the head base. I start off on his chin, and work my way around the sides. Attaching the bottom rim of his mask. Now coloring and shaping the rim. Using the template to check that the shape is correct and then sculpting it. Time to work on the top part of the costume. Sculpting and coloring the top rim of the mask. If you enjoy this video so far, please like and share. I'll appreciate it very much. Poking holes for the bead eyes. Sculpting the snout. Boop. It's eyebrow time. Attaching the other eyebrow. Grab a tiny piece of black wool to make the nose. Making the ears. Coloring the inner ears. Attaching the ears to the head. Securing them in place. Time to work on the hair flicks. One flick. Two flicks. Three flicks. Four flicks. Five flicks. Man, that's a lot of hair. I'm jelly. I mixed two different wool colors to create the color I want. I'm happy with the color. I begin sculpting the horns. Sorry for going off camera. I get so focused that I forget that I'm recording. Now for the other horn. He's looking so adorable. It's body time. Sculpting the body base. Coloring the belly. Belly done. Now coloring the sides of his body. Attaching the head and body together. Time to work on the hardest part of the project. His hands. I call this part hard because I'm not very good at making hands, but I always remind myself that it's good practice for future projects. Veigar has one very large hand, and the other hand is normal size. I start working on his large hand by making the palm first, then the fingers. Looking good. I made and attaching the cuff to his hand. Coloring his arm. Paw pads. Finger beans. Making them bigger is necessary because they need to be cuter. Now for his other hand. I start off making his palm first. And then his arm. Because this hand's so small, I feel I need to make the arm and have it attached to the palm, so it'll be easier for me to connect the fingers, and I won't accidentally hurt myself. If you are someone who has played the Final Fantasy series, you might be thinking that Veigar looks similar to Vivi from FF9. Well, I was thinking the same and checked it out on Google. It turned out that Veigar was born a year before Vivi. Very interesting. I thought I'd talk a little about League of Legends. You have a choice of playing 168 champions. You play in a 5 versus 5 in a map called Summoner's Rift. In order to win, you work with your team, complete objectives, and destroy the opposing team's nexus. I don't play anymore, but I enjoy watching people play on streams. If you think Veigar's cute, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I'm so happy he turned out so cute. Now that Veigar is pretty much done, he needs a background. I like to gather scrap pieces of wool and attach them together to create one sheet. When it comes to wool, none of it is thrown in the bin. I always save scraps for my next project. Adding more to make it big enough. I mixed turquoise and white together for the background. I chose turquoise to make the magenta pop. Framing Veigar with an embroidery hoop, taking care not to damage the arms and hands. Making sure he's in center and secure to the hoop. Ta-da! He's finished and ready to kick butt. I'm so happy on how he came out. I made his spatula out of foam clay and paint it gold. I hope you enjoy this video. Please give a like and subscribe if you want to see more. Have a good day. Bye bye.